10 Tips to Manage Sudden Wealth Wisely. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Sudden wealth can be both a dream come true and a potential nightmare if not managed carefully. Whether it's winning the lottery, receiving a significant inheritance, or benefiting from a successful investment, managing sudden wealth requires a strategic approach. Without the right plan in place, newfound riches can quickly vanish, leaving individuals in a worse situation than before. To ensure that you make the most of your windfall and secure your financial future, consider these 10 essential tips for managing sudden wealth effectively. 1. Keep it on the low. When a windfall occurs, it's natural to feel excited and want to share the news with the world. However, announcing your newfound wealth publicly can attract unwanted attention and potentially put your security at risk. It's best to keep your financial windfall private, at least initially. Avoid making impulsive decisions or telling too many people about your situation until you have a solid plan in place. 2. Set a life goal. Managing sudden wealth goes beyond financial matters. It's also about shaping the life you desire. Take time to reflect on your values, aspirations, and long-term goals. What do you want to achieve with your wealth? Setting a life goal can give you a sense of purpose and direction, guiding your financial decisions and ensuring that your wealth aligns with your broader life vision. 3. Assemble your team of professionals. Managing sudden wealth requires specialized knowledge and expertise. Building a team of financial professionals who can guide you through the process is crucial. Seek out experts in areas such as financial planning, taxation, legal matters, and investment strategy. A financial advisor, tax consultant, attorney, and estate planner can work together to ensure your wealth is managed in the most efficient and secure manner. 4. Develop a comprehensive financial and life plan. Before making any major financial decisions, take the time to develop a comprehensive financial and life plan. This plan should outline your short-term and long-term goals, including investment strategies, budgeting, and estate planning. A well-thought-out plan can provide you with a roadmap to navigate your sudden wealth and help you make informed decisions aligned with your objectives. 5. Be wary of friends and family. Sudden wealth often attracts attention from friends and family, some of whom may approach you for financial assistance. While it's natural to want to help your loved ones, it's essential to approach this with caution. Set clear boundaries and consider seeking advice from your financial team before making any significant financial commitments. Remember that your own financial security should always come first. When managing sudden wealth, it's essential to approach requests for financial assistance from friends and family with both empathy and caution. While you may want to help those you care about, it's important to establish clear boundaries to protect your own financial well-being. Instead of making impulsive decisions, consider discussing your financial situation with your team of professionals, including financial advisors and attorneys, to determine the best approach. One effective strategy could involve creating a structured gifting or lending plan that aligns with your financial goals and values. By involving your financial team, you can make informed decisions that balance your desire to assist loved ones with your responsibility to safeguard your newfound wealth. 6. Resist making large purchases. The temptation to indulge in luxury purchases can be strong when you come into a significant amount of money. However, it's wise to resist the urge to make large purchases impulsively. Take the time to assess your financial goals, create a budget, and prioritize responsible spending. It's important to ensure that your sudden wealth contributes to your long-term financial stability, rather than being squandered on short-term pleasures. 7. Invest wisely and diversify. Investing is a key component of managing sudden wealth for long-term growth. However, it's crucial to invest wisely and diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks. While cryptocurrencies have gained popularity, it's essential to approach them with caution due to their high volatility. Work closely with your financial advisor to create an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Investing in cryptocurrencies can offer opportunities for substantial gains, but it's essential to approach this market with caution due to its inherent volatility. Before diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, thoroughly research the various options available and consider seeking guidance from financial experts who specialize in this field. Diversification is key. consider spreading your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risks and potentially capitalize on different market trends. Keep in mind that while some cryptocurrencies have shown remarkable growth, others have faced significant setbacks, highlighting the importance of thorough research and a well-balanced portfolio. Ultimately, make informed decisions that align with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and the guidance of your professional financial advisors. 8. Leverage the expertise of professionals. The complexity of managing sudden wealth requires professional guidance. Leverage the expertise of financial professionals who can help you understand the various options available to you. Whether it's tax-efficient investing, estate planning, or risk management, professionals can provide valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions. 9. Settle all debts. Before embarking on major financial endeavors, consider settling any outstanding debts. Paying off high-interest debts can free up your finances and provide you with more flexibility to invest, save, and achieve your goals. Clearing your debts can also contribute to your peace of mind, knowing that you're starting your newfound wealth journey on a solid foundation. Clearing your debts before making major financial moves is crucial for a strong and stable financial foundation. High-interest debts can erode your wealth over time, negating the benefits of your sudden windfall. Consider creating a debt repayment plan that prioritizes settling high-interest loans first, freeing up more resources for strategic investments and financial security. Additionally, paying off debts can provide a psychological boost, reducing stress, and allowing you to focus on building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Ultimately, a debt-free starting point positions you for greater success in managing your newfound wealth and making sound financial decisions for the future. 10. Prioritize financial literacy. One of the most valuable assets you can cultivate when managing sudden wealth is financial literacy. Educate yourself about various financial concepts, investment strategies, and money management principles. The more you understand about your financial situation, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and protect your wealth. Consider attending financial workshops, reading reputable books, and staying updated on the latest financial trends. Managing sudden wealth is a significant responsibility that demands careful planning and thoughtful decision-making. By keeping your wealth private, assembling a team of professionals, creating a comprehensive plan, and prioritizing financial literacy, you can maximize the benefits of your newfound riches while safeguarding your long-term financial security. Remember that managing wealth is a journey, and with the right approach, you can turn your windfall into a lasting legacy of financial well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams.